InSpaZone Training, award-winning training center. Learn how to extract days, months, and years of these given dates. Firstly, select all dates and fill to right columns. Now drag the cell bar to apply values in all cells. After that, select Days column and press Ctrl+1. In Custom, remove General and enter 4 times D for days and click OK. Now you can see the all days are extracted for the given dates. Same do with months and years. Select Months column and press Ctrl+1. In Custom, enter 4 times M for months and click OK. Again, select Years column and press Ctrl+1. In Custom, enter 4 times Y for years and click OK. Now you can see the all days, months, and years extracted for the given dates. Like the video and follow this channel and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.